Virtual reality, VR, technology has the potential to revolutionize education, particularly in the fields of science and technology. VR can provide a more immersive and interactive learning experience, allowing students to explore complex concepts and experiments in a safe and controlled environment. In this video, we will discuss the use of VR in science and technology education, exploring its benefits, challenges, and future potential. We will start by discussing the benefits of using VR in science and technology education, including its ability to engage students in a more interactive and dynamic learning experience. We will also explore how VR can provide a more accessible and equitable learning experience for students who may have limited access to resources or who face physical barriers. Next, we will discuss the challenges and limitations of VR in science and technology education, including the cost and technical requirements of implementing VR technology in the classroom. We will also examine concerns around the potential for VR to replace traditional forms of education, and how to balance the benefits of VR with the need for social interaction and physical activity. Finally, we will explore the future potential of VR in science and technology education, including its ability to provide personalized learning experiences and its potential to enhance remote and online learning. We will also discuss the ethical implications of using VR in education and how to ensure that it is used in a responsible and effective manner. Overall, the use of VR in science and technology education has the potential to transform the way we teach and learn. By providing a more immersive and interactive learning experience, VR can engage students in ways that traditional forms of education cannot. However, we must also be aware of the challenges and limitations of VR, and work to ensure that it is used in a responsible and equitable manner. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on the latest developments in science and technology.